guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning guys, top of the morning to you. It is the 8th of December and it is a Wednesday. The sun is shining in my part of the world. So, yesterday guys, we didn't have a trade, yeah? Remember, no setup, no trade, okay? Be patient, sit on your hands. This is a very important skill. Today, however, we've got three potential trades. The first one is this, the euro against the New Zealand dollar. This is the day chart. So as you can see yesterday, we had a large bearish candle form. So I think we can take price lower. I have quite a conservative daily target, this blue line at 6561. But at current price, that is still 50 pips. All right, so we've got enough room in there. Let's look at H1 for execution. So what I want to happen, guys, is I want price to retrace to this grey zone. All right, then I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to the last low of 6582, and then even leave a little bit on the trade down to our blue daily target. All right guys, so that's what I'm looking for in the euro against the New Zealand dollar. We are shorting, we are selling this market. Okay, the next one is the pound against the New Zealand dollar. Obviously, this is very correlated to the euro against the New Zealand dollar. So trade your best setup, whichever one gives you the best setup. All right, but similar story, guys. We had a large bearish engulfing pattern. So I think we can take price back down to this blue line of 19416. Let's look at H1 for execution. So, yeah, the charts are scruffy, guys. It was difficult to plot this grey zone, but this is the grey zone I'm looking at. So price again, we want a retracement back into this grey zone. We want a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then we want to take price back down to this low. This will give us a good risk to reward, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily target. All right, guys, so again, the pound against the New Zealand dollar short. That is our second trade for today. And lastly, guys, we've got the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is the day chart. As you can see, we have a very large bearish candle formed yesterday, and we just want to take price back down to 2606. All right, so again, we've got a little bit of maneuver in there. We need this to retrace to give us a better risk to reward. So this is the H1. Let's look at what we're looking at for execution. So firstly, guys, we can take it back to this first grey zone. All right, only a small grey zone, and then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then we can take price back down to this low if it gives us a risk to reward of at least 1-to-1. If it doesn't, then we can take price back down to our blue daily target that we looked at. If this doesn't happen and price takes a large retrace, then we're looking for price to react in this grey zone. All right, and again, a bearish candlestick pattern and take it back down to this low. This will give us a very good risk to reward, and then leave some money on the trade back down to our daily blue line target. All right, guys, so they're the three trades for today. Let's take a look at the news and see what's happening in the world today. So nothing overnight, guys, nothing happened there. Our first piece of news that we're interested in is at 8:15 GMT. We have Lagarde, the head of the European Central Bank. She is speaking. Every time she speaks, she can really move the euro. So if you're in any euro trade, you must be aware of this. Then we have nothing until 3 o'clock GMT, and then we have a flurry of news. Okay, we've got some employment data coming out of the US. This is a 3-star rating, and then we have some huge, ginormous news coming out of the Canadian dollar. So this is the interest rate decision. All right, plus press conference. So if you're in any Canadian dollar trade, you must be aware of this, guys. This will move the Canadian dollar a great deal. All right, so that's all coming out at 3 o'clock. We have some other news at 3:30. This is crude oil. So this will affect the US dollar, as you can see, but it will also affect the Canadian dollar. As I've mentioned many times, oil and the Canadian dollar are heavily correlated. All right, guys, and then after that, there's nothing for the rest of the day to talk about. All right, guys, so if you've enjoyed this daily morning analysis, if I could ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and then you will not miss any of these every morning. I do them Monday to Friday, every single day. Okay, guys, so yeah, subscribe to the channel and like the video and make a comment. Yeah, if you want some help or you've made a good trade, let us know at Simply Forex. We'll be happy to hear from you. Okay, guys, have a stupendous trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.